What if I told you that you don't need a massive budget to own a home in Texas? While many buyers assume affordable houses have disappeared, there are still hidden opportunities waiting to be discovered. In today's countdown, we're revealing 5 affordable homes currently for sale in Texas, ranging from move-in-ready properties to homes with exciting potential. We'll start at number 5 and work our way down to the most affordable property on today's list. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the very end because the number 1 home has one of the lowest asking prices we've seen and could surprise a lot of buyers. Property number 5. Kicking off today's countdown is 4505 Woodlawn in Wichita Falls, Texas, currently listed $4,175,000. This single-family home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,215 square feet of living space. Built in 1980, it sits on a 9,147 square foot lot in the University Park East subdivision. According to the listing, this is a nicely updated brick home that's centrally located in an established neighborhood, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for a property with several major improvements already completed. The seller highlights numerous updates throughout the home, including a new Class 4 hail-resistant roof, renovated bathrooms, an updated HVAC system, new windows, stainless steel appliances, and a new front door. These improvements help make the home move-in ready while offering comfortable living from day one. Inside, you'll find a practical layout featuring 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and 1 half bathroom. The living room provides a comfortable gathering space, while the kitchen includes Formica countertops and a breakfast area for casual dining. Several appliances are included with the home, including a microwave, dishwasher, disposal, refrigerator, vent-hood, freestanding range and oven, and a gas cooktop. There's also a dedicated laundry room with washer hookups. The home features a combination of vinyl, tile, and carpet flooring, along with double-pane windows. For year-round comfort, it offers central gas heating and central electric cooling. Outside, one of the highlights is the spacious 25 by 12 covered patio, providing a great place to relax or entertain. The backyard also includes a privacy fence, mature trees, a storage building, and an automatic sprinkler system. Parking is available through the attached 2-car garage, complete with a garage door opener. Connected to public water and public sewer, this updated home offers a combination of modern improvements, functional living space, and outdoor features that make it a strong way to begin today's countdown. Property number 4 is 4659 Brookdale Drive in Wichita Falls, listed $4,139,990. Built in 1983, this single-family residence offers 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1,335 square feet of living space. The home sits on a 7,405 square foot lot and is located in the University Park West subdivision. According to the listing, this home enjoys a prime location, with schools, restaurants, and grocery shopping all conveniently nearby. Inside, the property offers a functional layout with spacious living areas, making it comfortable for everyday living. The home features 2 separate living areas, providing additional flexibility for relaxing, entertaining, or creating a second family room. One feature mentioned in the listing is an add-on space that could easily serve as a 3rd bedroom, giving future owners even more possibilities depending on their needs. The home includes 2 full bathrooms, making it practical for families or guests. A fireplace located in the living room serves as one of the home's standout interior features, adding extra character to the main living area. Parking is provided through an attached 2-car garage, offering both convenience and additional storage. The property offers 1,335 square feet of interior living space and sits on an easy-to-maintain lot measuring 7,405 square feet. The home is connected to public water and is located in one of Wichita Falls' established neighborhoods. Whether you're looking for your first home, planning to downsize, or searching for an investment property, the listing describes this as a fantastic opportunity in a highly desirable location. But our countdown is only getting more affordable. Coming up next is a unique property that offers multiple living spaces and excellent income potential. Property number 3. We've reached number 3, and this property stands out from the rest because it offers something a little different. Welcome to 3109 York Street in Wichita Falls, Texas, currently listed $4,110,000. Unlike the previous homes, this is a multifamily property, making it a unique opportunity for buyers looking for extra living space or additional flexibility. According to the listing, the property features a 4-bedroom, 2-bath main home with 3 separate living areas, providing plenty of room for everyday living. In addition to the main house, there's also a separate 2-bedroom, 1-bath back house, giving the property even more possibilities. The listing mentions that buyers could live in the front home and rent out the back house, or choose to lease both homes. The property offers a total of 1,733 square feet of living space and sits on a 10,500 square foot lot with dimensions of 70 by 150 feet. Parking is available with a carport, and the home is built using concrete block construction. This is a 2-story multifamily property located in the Floral Heights subdivision of Wichita Falls. The seller also makes it clear that the property needs repairs, including a new roof, and is being sold as is. However, the listing also highlights that the home already has newer windows, offering one update that's already in place. For buyers looking for a property with multiple living spaces and plenty of potential, this listing presents an interesting opportunity at its current asking price. But the countdown isn't over yet. Our next property drops below the $100,000 mark and offers even more value for buyers looking for an affordable home. Property number 2 is 1906 Tilden Street in Wichita Falls, Texas, currently listed for $79,900. Built in 1925, this single-family home offers 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and 1,324 square feet of living space. Sitting on a 7,405 square foot lot in the Floral Heights subdivision, this property presents an affordable opportunity for buyers looking for a home with plenty of potential. According to the listing, this Floral Heights diamond in the rough is being sold as is, giving the next owner the chance to add their own personal touch and make the property their own. Inside, you'll find a spacious kitchen that provides plenty of room for everyday cooking, along with a dedicated laundry room complete with washer hookups for added convenience. The home also features a comfortable living room and a formal dining room, creating separate spaces for relaxing and enjoying family meals. Another nice feature is the wood-burning fireplace, which adds character to the main living area. Throughout the home, you'll find a combination of carpet and laminate flooring, while central gas heating and central electric cooling help keep the home comfortable throughout the year. Outside, the property offers a generously sized yard, providing plenty of outdoor space to enjoy. One of the standout features is the detached 2-car garage, offering covered parking as well as additional storage. The listing also mentions an important update. Both the roof on the home and the detached garage were replaced in September 2022, giving buyers one major improvement that's already been completed. Located on a quiet street while remaining close to everyday essentials, this home combines convenience with affordability. Connected to public water and public sewer, this single-story home offers a practical layout and an excellent opportunity for buyers looking to personalize a property at an affordable price. If you're searching for a home with solid living space, a detached 2-car garage, and room to make it your own, 1906 Tilden Street is definitely worth a closer look. But we're not done yet. Our number 1 property comes in at an even lower price, making it the most affordable home featured in today's countdown. Property number 1. We've finally reached the number 1 property on today's countdown, and it's also the most affordable home featured in today's video. Welcome to 608 Juarez Street in Wichita Falls, Texas, currently listed for just $50,000. At this price, it's easy to see why this property stands out. Whether you're looking for affordable housing or searching for your next investment opportunity, this home deserves a closer look. This single-family residence was built in 1930 and offers 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and 818 square feet of living space. According to the listing, this is a 2-bedroom brick home that's perfect for an investor or someone looking for affordable housing. The seller also mentions that the property was previously leasing for $775 per month, giving buyers additional information about its rental history. Another feature highlighted in the listing is that the property can be sold as a package deal with 1106 River, providing another option for buyers interested in purchasing multiple properties. Inside the home, you'll find a comfortable living room along with a breakfast area, creating a practical layout for everyday living. The kitchen includes an electric oven, and the home also features washer hookups for added convenience. The property offers 818 square feet of total living space and is designed as a single-story home. Unlike some of the other homes featured today, this property does not include a garage, but it sits on an easy-to-maintain lot measuring less than half an acre. The home is connected to public water and public sewer, making essential utilities readily available. Located in Wichita Falls, Texas, this affordable property earns the number 1 spot simply because of its incredibly low asking price. For buyers searching for one of the least expensive homes currently available, this listing is certainly worth considering. That wraps up today's countdown of 5 affordable Texas homes. If you'd like to learn more about any of the properties featured today, you'll find the direct listing links in the description below. Be sure to check them out for additional photos and the latest listing details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Goldmine Property Deals, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next affordable home countdown. And before you go, let us know in the comments which of these 5 homes would you choose. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.